Life is a long journey. Along this path, we have to let go of many things and endure others. This story begins with two monks on such a difficult journey. One was a wise, experienced older monk, and the other, a restless younger monk. Their path led them to a wide river with a rapidly flowing current. To move forward, they had to cross this turbulent water somehow. As they were preparing to cross, they noticed a beautiful young woman stranded on the riverbank. She was gazing at the rushing water, feeling completely helpless and distressed.
Seeing the monks, she pleaded with them to help her cross the river. The two monks, who had taken a strict vow never to touch a woman, looked at each other in hesitation for a moment. While the younger monk stepped back, the older monk didn't say a single word. Very calmly, he gently lifted the young woman into his arms. As the younger monk watched in utter shock, the older monk waded through the rushing current, carrying the young woman across the river. The younger monk simply couldn't believe his eyes.
Upon reaching the opposite bank, the older monk respectfully and gently set her down on her feet. Then, as if nothing had happened at all, the two monks resumed their journey. As they continued walking, a massive storm was raging in the younger monk's mind. Why did my master do that? Isn't it strictly against our rules? He walked in a state of deep frustration and restlessness. 3 whole hours passed in absolute silence. Finally, unable to hold it in any longer, the younger monk blurted out his question. "Master, we are strictly forbidden from touching a woman, aren't we? Then how could you carry that young woman across the river?" The older monk stopped, looked at the younger monk peacefully, and replied, "Brother, I set that young woman down on the other side of the river hours ago. But why are you still carrying her in your mind? The past is something that has already happened. Dragging it into the present only burdens us. We must learn to leave what happened in the past and move forward with a free mind." This beautiful story leaves us with a powerful life lesson. Sometimes the heaviest burdens we carry aren't physical, they are mental. Just like the younger monk, we often drag past hurts, overthinking, and regrets into our present. But the older monk teaches us the true meaning of peace. Learn to let go. Drop your mental baggage, leave the past where it belongs, and walk forward with a free and peaceful mind.